All right, this will finish up chapter 13 with the math and focus by working on our couple of put on your thinking cap pages. So this is challenging practice. So Pinocchio's nose grew 2 centimeters longer every time he told a lie. He wanted to stop telling lies and be an honest boy. He drew a picture graph and a bar graph to check how many fewer lies he was telling every day. The picture graph below and the bar graph, that's this one over here on page 88, show the length his nose grew over 5 days. So there's Monday, and each of these, his nose stands for 2 centimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 times 2 is 36. Or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. We get 36 either way. So over here it says on Monday how many centimeters? 36. It looks like Tuesday and Wednesday are the same. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So Tuesday and Wednesday are both 24 centimeters. I can see here they're both 24. The first one was 36. Thursday, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So Thursday we have 18. Thursday should be, I see down here it says 20. So Thursday should be here in the middle on the little bar by 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 for Friday. There's 14. And we have to fill in 14, so we're going to go all the way up here halfway between these two boxes. And we'll fill that in for 14. Excuse me. Then we can see on which day did his nose grow by 24 centimeters. That's both Tuesday and Wednesday. For which day is the bar graph incorrectly drawn? We said that was Thursday. It says 20, but should have been 18. How much longer does his nose grow on Tuesday? So that was 24. Then on Friday, which is 14. So 24 minus 14. Let's see, 24, 4 minus 4. No, number's the same. Zero's the game. 2 minus 1 is 1, so 10. 10 centimeters. Here's our next put on your thinking cap. And what we're going to do here is we are looking at which one we think would be the best fit for picture graphs, bar graphs, or line plots. The table below shows the number of visitors at the Art Museum during 6 months. Aaron wants to show the difference in the number of visitors for the months of February and April. This sample is large. Aaron wants to compare the data. Okay. Over here, Alicia wants to know which snack is most popular with the third graders. She asks some of the third graders and records the data in this table. Okay, so it's kind of between 30 and 12, and there are 4 different snacks. And the last one is the math competition. Want to know how many games the students won. He recorded his findings in this table. So number of games won, 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, that really reminds me of this page that we did over here where we had to draw in our own. So I'm thinking this one, that very last one, would be the best one for that would be the line plot. It's not too many X's to make. So I'm thinking line plot for this one. That leaves us picture graph and bar graph for these two. And I think the bar graph here, because we go from a sample of only 12 to 30, so I think a bar graph on this one would be a really great way to do that. And the reason I think a pictograph or picture graph would be best for this is because we go for anywhere from 80 all the way up to 540, and we can make each one stand for like a certain, like maybe 20 or 40 or something. So those are my suggestions and what I'm thinking here. If you have something else you were thinking, please let me know. We are going to go to chapter 16 next with time and temperature. Something you can do while waiting is start a little graph of your own for the temperature each day. You can ask Alexa if you have one of those at home. You can look online, check out the temperature, or maybe you have the old-fashioned thermometer sitting outside that you could just look at and record. Try the same time each day, or try a few times each day. And let me know how it goes. Thanks, kids.